Yo, what is up guys, Toya here. This is the Tamagotchi 30th anniversary in Hong Kong. As it's Tamagotchi's 30th anniversary, there are so much merch, including the new Tamagotchi Paradise devices, plushes, blind bags, stickers, special Tamagotchis and more. Let's explore, woohoo! Oh my goodness, this is the latest tropical version. Look at the pink, and also I love the pineapples at the back. Yo, it's so nice. And also the entrance is pretty awesome as well. Look at the different Tamagotchis. Where is my Mamechi? Alright, that's one I like. And also, let's see, my Mamechi, the one that I got on the magnet form as well. Check those videos out. Kuchipachi, the baby one. Oyaji, I love Oyaji. Look at the glasses, evil Mamechi. And also, I love this one as well. Also, this is a gigantic ice version. Inside, you'll find more information about this event. Alright, let's check out the merch. Holy cow, I don't think I've seen this one. Like, I think these have been sold out at the Village Vanguard stores we visited previously. So that's why you go to different events and stuff, you find different availabilities for the different merch. These we definitely have seen before. The Mamechi Paradise case and the dolphin one's pretty cute. Meowchi at the back, and also the soft mallows. These have been out for a while, but these are super damn cute. And you know my number 2 is always Kuchipachi, so there you go, Kuchipachi. Also a lot of miscellaneous plushes, keychains, and also these ones we've seen previously as well. Kuchipachi is cute. Bigger Tamagotchi plushes. And some of these we've actually gotten previously, the stickers, and we've also seen these at many different shops, like the Fukuoka Tamagotchi shop, the Bandai Cross store, as well as Yokohama or Hiroshima. So yeah, feel free to check my previous videos out for my many Tamagotchi adventures. Oh my gosh, this one's so nice. The summer festival vibe. Gosh, they're so cute as well. Look at the angel wings. The school ones we got previously. Just digging through what is here. Ichigochi I do like, and also some nano blocks here as well. Pineapple hat, that is super dope. Oh my gosh, the Paradise Trio. Dolphin one's my favorite. I love pink for this one. So in other regions in Asia, they do have these smaller box sets instead of coming with the chocolate balls, which I've opened previously because I don't know whether it's the regulations or what, but they just can't include food in some of the regions unless they have the special licenses or something. That's what I've heard anyways. And these ones we've opened previously. This one is series 1 we got at Kittyland Harajuku. I remember vividly still. And also series 2 as well. Series 2, the apple one's cute, as well as the variant of Mamechi. And that is pretty much it. I like series 1 more. And also nano blocks and the Chogokin, similar to what I've opened for the Metal Gear Rex. And these are the bigger backpacks we've seen as well. So there you go, the back, so you can stuff more stuff inside. 150, which is 3,000 yen or so. This cabinet is super dope. These are some of the latest blind boxes which we have seen at Plaza as well. Tamagotchi Pop. Let me grab one of them just to show you guys again in case you're too lazy to move around videos. Mamechi, Mimichi, Kuchipachi, Lovelychi, Melodichi, and also Milkchi. Which one is your favorite? For myself, I'm always a Mamechi and Kuchipachi guy. These two bigger pizza stuff, they are at volume 2 right now, if I remember correctly. So I don't think I've opened these ones on video for you guys, but I have gotten some previously. So just showing you guys. These ones you can't really see, so essentially this blue is kind of a deceptive wrapping because of this, but you actually remove this wrapping to see the true color. Just giving you guys a spin. So you get the white version, pale blue version, the OG Tamagotchi Japanese version, pink, white, and the OG blue. And also series 2 as well. These ones with the connection. Kuchipachi is so damn nice. As I've opened previously with the first series, the second series has all the Paradises, 3 colors. I got the mini ones, but these are the kind of semi-bigger ones. So check my previous videos out. I really dig the Paradises, and also the OG and all the Tamagotchis as well. Meowchi and Urukachi Seto. Literally, you don't have to get the blind bags for these, which is really great if you're lazy like myself. I've opened some of these ones previously as well, but I mean this one is the latest one. Yo, Constellation Mamechi. This is so cute. 30th anniversary as well. I love the Kuro Mamechi. The sleeping collection. Mamechi one's pretty cute, and also Mimichi. I got the Mimichi one from Gachapon previously, but definitely nothing beats the first series, the toilet series. So cute, man. Some more accessories as well, like these straps, Mimichi. I love the colors, the turquoise and pink, really strikingly nice. And also these two mouse softies. I believe these were sold out at the 30th anniversary event. Just giving you guys a quick spin of these two. Mimichi strap, little pouches as well with Gucci. Not sure whether they have Mimichi, but actually they don't. Not that I can see at the moment. Constellation Mimichi and Kuro Mimichi is so nice. And this is something I missed previously at Tokyo Station, but it's so damn nice. You open this book, literally down below here. 30th anniversary Tamagotchi. I love that bling. And if you do open the book, inside you find this amazing illustration. This elongated, gigantic illustration of all the Tamagotchis. I don't even know where to begin. And some of the stuff, of course, you can find in the game as well for Switch 2. Figure houses for Mimichi and also other variations from the Constellation series. We also have some Gen 1, 2, 3s and 2s, and the designs will vary as you know from regions to regions. And of course you can check out my previous videos in Japan for the exclusives at Okinawa, Nagoya, Osaka, etc. Gachas, we got these last time, so you can check out my previous video as well if you want to know which ones I got. And these, yeah, these are damn nice. Down below there is the older collection, which I have expressed my love for Yahachi previously. Is so funny. And also Kuchibachi Cry. And these we got last time at Hiroshima and Osaka as well. These are actually rarer because they have been gone really quickly. These are somewhat older. For the mirrors we got at Okinawa as well. And also these plushes. Damn cute Mimichi, damn cute. Lollipops are pretty nice as well. Just a quick showcase of everything. The Phlox ones are so nice. Toyo being Toyo, showing you guys the prices here. So work out the exchange rate for your respective countries or regions. Exploring the main rack at the center. So the main OG paradises, purple, turquoise and also blue, which we have seen many times previously, and also the pink with Meowchi. Meow meow. These go for 370. New ones, Paradise Orange Tropics. Damn. You can actually see the difference by the packaging. They have upped the game. This glare in the bronze orange. I want to buy it just for the packaging, man. The top side, white Glacier one. You know I love the color blue. Can you see it reflects on side, front again. Which one do you guys prefer for the new ones? Comment down below and let me know. Alright, these are the Polly Pocket planets. These are so fun. They always reinvent with the characters, like in different merge forms. 4 variations. You know which one I would love, right, Mimichi? $110, which is around 2,200 yen. Also, what is this? Double pack, yo. This one comes with the protective shell, which I really like. It just gives it the extra depth with something defaulted you can buy. So here you go. That's how you slot this on. I'm not sure whether they have one for the white Glacier one. Oh yes, they do. Oh my gosh, I take this. White Glacier premium set though. Just take my money, Bandai, take my money. 450, which is around 9,000 yen. Also, if you don't like these, you've got these other variations of cases, which you can get as well with everybody. Look at these, they're so different. Also, the new cases with the tropical and the Glacier one. The straps are pretty nice. Let's have a gander. Doesn't really matter which one you get, whether it's the white Glacier one with the white Glacier Tamagotchi, it doesn't really matter, really up to you, but damn, the tropical one is nice. I love pineapple. The white Glacier one with the mouse, and also the OG with Meowchi here. Meow meow. If I were to choose Kuchibachi number 1, tropical number 2, but for the new ones, I do like this blue. Because the space is actually quite compact in this shopping mall, they have done their best at getting everything on the boards. For example, the brief history of Tamagotchis. Do not ask Toyo which one he grew up with. I grew up with some of these. Not all, some. For a while I did grow out of these. I actually returned to the Tamagotchi universe with the Tamagotchi Uni, the horror nightmare one. I can't remember the exact name. 1997 with the OG and his Angel Ocean Connection, Friends Mini. Okay, that's too much, but you can see literally what's in front. And also on the side, you can get these special Tamagotchi cards, Series 3. I've opened up Series 1 and 2 previously, but I haven't published the video, I'm so sorry. Singular machines. Usually everybody aim for the GR cards because they are the best, they are the rarest, and they have the prettiest aesthetics. Mimichi! So these are literally 400 yen per. And a quick shout out to the team who made this video possible. Thank you for the invite. See you in my next videos. Bye for now.